So today I'm going to try to talk y'all through doing stuff on the back end of the website where you do your booking. Because so many people get the website and they don't know what to do with it. So right here, I have a thing here where I am going to show you what it looks like on the back end. So let's see who has stuff in the system. All right, so we're going to check Cindy's. Okay, she does not. Whenever you are live, you always need to have it in MLS. That is where here's another one. Let's check Alabama here. Okay, this one's not really anywhere. Let's see where this one. I'm just checking here so you can kind of get a little view of where things are and where they're not. So you can see just these few people here. None of these people have it in the MLS, and it needs to be in MLS. All right, here's one that does. This one is in MLS. You can see that it's not in mid-Georgia, but it's in central Georgia, and you know because of this right here. It has the thing. And this person has also posted this on LinkedIn, and one or both of us or whatever have also posted it on Facebook, and you can see your stuff. Now, this is going to be really helpful to your sellers when they're like, oh, who's viewing the listing? Well, then you can show them. So let's look at this one right here. This one has been put everywhere it needs to be. There it is in Flex. People have viewed it straight from the link. You can see right here. They have seen it from Facebook. They have found it on Yahoo search and on this Vesta Consolidated Realty, and which is what you want to see. And this shows you all the information that you need to see when you want to show some people. So, and you see this is just for a month. So, and that's probably only been posted maybe once, maybe twice. So let's check out another one. Let's see if this one's been posted. Okay, this one's been everywhere. Look at the hits on this one right here. And you see this has been put on Facebook. It's been viewed off realtor.com and all these other places, Zillow, even someplace in Atlanta, all kind of different places. You can see the cities and stuff like here. You can also see a view traffic report here, and it will show you the traffic for the week and the history of where it's getting viewed. Now, this only is if it's being posted somewhere. Traffic by cities, top referring websites. You see right here, and it's probably always going to be here. It's always going to mostly come from Facebook. That's like huge, huge, huge where it's going to come from. All right. Some of the other stuff you can see. Let's go back to this one. Let's see if she posted it anywhere. She has not posted it anywhere. That's fine. Okay, so let's check this one. All right, this is just for this month. All right, let's go look at Rivoli. Rivoli's had a ton of referrals, and which is great. You can see all, again, where all the places are here. But here's the important stuff. Whenever you go to this, whenever you go to your back end, and everybody has this, you need to go on the web to do this. You are going to go to your site summary. Tabs are all over here. This is where all that information is. And then there's site media. This is where all of your photos are, where you download it. And if you have any other site attachments, it would be right there. Your site data, you can put in your MLS number, you can put in your list price, property, here's all your information right here, acres, you can have your year built, you can put in an entire thing right here. You could put in whatever you want. You could put in keywords so that it can be found while searching. And then this is a new thing they just add in, buyer's commission. And you can even add this information in too, so it is right there. And your noteworthy amenities. And let's see. Pool. Tab. Every time I do that, I hit tab. All right, and then I'm just going to save this right here. You can preview this site. And you can see all the places where you can be linked, found. You can schedule a showing. You can view your gallery. All your information is here. See where I typed this stuff in? I had a little typo there, but that's fine. And then your property description would be right there. Send a message, and even an interactive map if you want to do that. And it'll take you straight to it. Look at that. Shows you right to where it is. All of that is right here, right where it needs to be. Contact, everything right there. All right. So if you didn't like that site design, you can always change this right here on your site design thing. And your marketing kit, you click that and open it. Look at that. Look at all this stuff that's in here. And there's your stuff. There's your marketing kit. You can change any of this any way you want. You can even edit this right here. Let's say we wanted to edit this and we didn't like this picture right here. We can just go pick another one. We can go pick another picture right here if we like this one better. We can go do any of that. And you can just hit save and close. There's more stuff down here. There's even stuff that is pertinent to what's going on. Like we have fall, we have Halloween, we have different shapes. You can change this wording. It doesn't have to be that. You can change it to what you want. Different shapes, your Pinterest. Some people just post that. Here's your slideshows. Here's your bigger slideshows. Then here's your link to your website. This copy unbranded is what needs to be in your MLS. And that goes out to all of the different places. And it's just showing you different site themes if you wanted to change it. And then there's more. Say if you wanted to, oh, what else can I do here? A lot. Look at this, different looks. All these different looks you can do. All kind of fun stuff. And again, there's your weekly traffic report right there. You can schedule it. You can view the current. And you can send that to your people. You can literally go straight in here and you can add whatever in here. You can change it. You can change that in there. You can add. All of that information is right here, and you need to do that with every single thing you have. And again, don't forget that site summary. So if a seller says, I don't know if my house is being viewed online, there it is right there, all in one. You don't have to just go to MLS where that's one place. This is everywhere. Everywhere it's getting viewed, and everywhere online that it's getting viewed. And you want to be able to show that to people. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.